Hi everyone, very windy here today in Winslow. Just just passing Winslow, so thought we'd quickly stop, see how the works are going on the car park. The work's still continuing here. It's been a couple of weeks, I think over a month since I was here last. Finishing touches now, just been put it on. This car park ramps are all in place now. It is a bit windy today, so we won't be going too high. It's a huge car park. It is, as someone said on the last video, a sign of what they expect people to do driving to this station from the areas around Winslow. There's quite a lot of expansion going on as well here. You can hear quite a bit of work going on in the distance. Much better to film today. Nice grey skies. See the draw nice and clearly against them rather than the bright blue we've had lately. As we come around the back there. Following the track down. This time we remember this is the way to Bletchley rather than Bicester, as I said last time. Hopefully I've got that right this time. Got enough comments about the error I said last time. You can see there the station all finished, as it has been now for quite a while. East West Rail due to open, we believe, by the end of the year. We're going to bring the drone back to have a look at that. I'm intrigued by what the noise is down here because we can hear it quite clearly, and I know the compound's no longer there, so I'm just going to go up a bit higher, come across the new footbridge. You can see here, this is where the compound was, and there's a graveyard on the right there, and we can see how East West Rail have restored this bit of area, this land here. I don't think I've got the original footage, but you can see it. This used to be, I think it was the B2 East West Rail compound, which is now restored to farmland. So it does give hope for all that damaged areas that we've seen in videos. That there will be, some of them will be restored. I mean, obviously things have been lost, ancient hedgerows and woods, but that is a good sign, I think, for what we're seeing elsewhere. You can see some of the new houses in Winslow there as we pan round back towards the station. Been a massive expansion of this town. And in the distance ahead of the new station you can see the further expansion. Flew over that way last time I was here, I nearly dropped the controller. See it there in the distance. Further new builds going up. I'm just going to bring the drone back, have a fly over the station. See it there. It's quite breezy today, but the drone seems happy. Up at 50 metres. And you can see those houses being built opposite. The state's taking shape. See the station here? I've just flown back to give a different angle on the station. This is the passenger drop-off, I guess the area where taxis will wait. See the van leaving there. Gives you an idea of the site. There's the station in one view with the bridge. So yeah, I think we won't make it here many more times. My partner has now moved. We're just passing today on the way to Buckingham Railway Centre. Thought we would get an update on what the station looks like nearly complete. So thanks for watching as always. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thanks a lot.